Behind me is the Solar Mallee trees by Anthony Materni, with help from some others. Now this art piece is based on real-life indigenous mallee trees of this area. As you can see, it's got a stem for the root, and it's in the place of the canopy of the leaves, it's got a solar panel, and that's frankly where the name Solar Mallee trees comes from. The sun shines down onto the solar panels and they collect it and they store the energy. And what they do with this energy is that at night, when everything is dark, as you can see, there is a sort of like a little passageway, a little bridge which connects this area to the river Torrens. And with that stored energy that the Solar Mallee trees has collected, it will light up, producing a beautiful, colourful lighting display. It's sort of using the influences of architecture and public art into one. It's merging both mediums and it's creating something innovative. And most of all, you don't want to trip up on your feet when you're walking in the dark. So it's good for that reason. And this doesn't even use that much electricity. Frankly, it saves at least quite a bit of excess carbon emissions. Now, before I'm interrupted again, I should mention that there is an audio component to this work. The children of the Sturt Primary School did a little audio piece about what this work means and how it relates to the environment, and about carbon offsets and that sort of thing. And I think they're activated by sensors. There are sensors embedded into the artwork, and if someone goes near the sensor, it will trigger the audio to be played. Lovely, they've thought of everything.